Take a look at stock ticker symbol AMRN right now, currently traded at $20.05. Now, if we look over here, the last 3 days have been a really nice move. We've had some serious volume coming in here around 28 million, which is going to be probably one of the higher volume days, and that's going to be on February 22nd. If we can see that right here, going back a little bit, the last one's going to be around January 10th of this year. We had 32 million shares being traded. So again, over here on the 22nd, that is going to be one of the biggest volume days since January, which is going to be a positive note here. Zooming out a little bit from the stock chart, what we're going to be watching for, again, this right here with this $20.05 close is actually a really positive note to see us get above that $20 mark. Going back a little bit further, we do have a little bit of resistance around this area, but after that, especially once we get above the $23, $24, you're going to be getting above those highs over here, and I think it's going to continue to move a lot more. But again, if we go back the last 2 weeks here, riding up this 30-day simple moving average, and we could see that first break over here on January 10th where we had that big volume push that we were just talking about, coming back up, riding that 10-day simple moving average, coming down to the 20-day simple moving average. You got a few bounces down to that 30-day. That 30-day, you guys did have that nice bounce, brought it back down right before that big volume day, February 21st. February 21st making its last touch down there around that 20 and 30. And then again on February 22nd when you got that volume push that pushed you guys back up to these levels where you guys are currently at right now. What I would be watching for moving forward is going to be a continuation of this volume. The volume does look steady. If we looked over here after that big day in January, it did fall off pretty quick as far as the volume goes. But again, this volume right now is actually building back up. I would expect to see after a big volume day like that to maybe drop off a little bit, which it did. I think that's going to be normal for the most part. But as long as it just doesn't go away, and we can see the last two trading sessions, that volume starting to pick back up again. And we are going to continue to watch this one, AMRN. Again, if you guys are new here, make sure you stop by and join investorshangout.com for AMRN. You just go up to the top right hand corner, type in your ticker, search for the board. You're going to pull up the board right here. You're going to have all access to everything, including the time and sales, recent news, filings, financials, the time and sales. It's going to give you all the historical trades here. Again, this is completely free. Make sure you check it out, investorshangout.com.